Hello everyone, welcome to Inside School Vlog. Today I'm going to be showing you how to check your WAEC result online. The WAEC already just released the WAEC result, and a lot of people have been asking how they can actually view the result online. Probably they're having difficulties viewing it from their phone, their laptop, or the devices. That's why we're going to be helping our students out to actually propound an answer to that question. So it's very simple. All you need to know about checking the result online is simple. The first thing you need to get in place is your ID card. Checking the WAEC result for the first or the fifth time is free. So you already have your details, your scratch card pin on your ID. There is no need for you to get a scratch card unless you've exhausted the amount of time you can check. So on your scratch card, you see your details. Then you can use that to confirm your WAEC results online. This is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be showing a sample of how the result look like on our website. So let's begin. Before we proceed, if you're viewing this video on YouTube, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, please, to get notification of latest updates from our website. And if you're on YouTube, kindly click the notification bell to be the first to know when we drop a video like this. Without wasting much of our time, let's go. Now, if you go to our website, Inside School Nigeria, insideschool.com.ng, you see there is a post that says how to check 2020 WAEC result online. Now, it's a very simple process. It's still applicable for all year. Okay, so it's not going to be something you're going to be finding very difficult to do. Now, it's very simple. It's this. Now, when I say your ID, this is a sample of your ID right now. So just dive into it. Now, if you come to the WAEC official website, this is a sample of the WAEC official website. Uh, this is a sample of what you're going to be expecting. So I'm just going to clean it off. Now, you see it says exam number, exam year, examination, PIN, serial number. Okay. Now, the PIN and serial number is what you actually go out to buy one time, but you really do not need that this period anymore. So what you need to do is just to get your ID card, and these details are available on your ID. Now, first thing you want to do is to enter your examination number. I think your examination should be starting with 41. That is actually the unique number given to you by WAEC. So for this, we'll be using this examination number. Now you're going to enter your PIN. Your PIN should be the number on your ID. It's beneath your passport photograph. It's actually hidden because it's more or less like a secret token, like your password. And 5. The serial number is the number be given to you on the same card. Please make sure you're typing this in capital letter for the WRC, and then you enter your order number that is attached to it. So you have to cross-check your details to see if everything is okay. And if you feel everything is okay, the next thing you want to do is to click submit. Okay, it's a very simple process. That's it. You click submit, and the pop-up window is going to open. The pop-up window opens, you go to view your results. That's it. Very simple. I hope this guide was simple and easy for you. Thank you very much.